When you're out in the field trying to bag that long beard, comfort and durability matter. Meet the Arrowhead Outdoor Turkey Hunting Blind Chair, your new go-to for all-day comfort. This lightweight chair is easy to carry with a shoulder strap, making it simple to move from spot to spot without the hassle. The breathable mesh seat keeps you cool on those long days, while the padded armrests add extra comfort and support when you need it. And don't worry about durability. The Arrowhead chair supports up to 350 pounds, so it's built to last season after season. Whether you're waiting for the perfect shot or just relaxing in the blind, the Arrowhead Outdoor Turkey Hunting Blind Chair has you covered. Arrowhead Outdoor also offers a variety of products that fit any terrain and meet your hunting needs. Arrowhead Outdoor. Venture boldly, live wildly.